Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is April and I talk about backpacking, camping, travel, and sustainability. So if any of those things interest you, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below to be alerted when I post new videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a pack with me for a 6-week long trip. I'm not technically on vacation for the entire 6 weeks because I am going to be working remotely, but I'm going to be away from my apartment for 6 full weeks, so I think it kind of counts, and I still have to pack for it. I'm driving down from Seattle to San Diego, so almost really like the entire west coast of the US, and then after San Diego, going to turn east and head into Arizona, where I'm spending the entire month of November in the Phoenix area, in Scottsdale to be exact. So I'm going to show you guys what I bring with me today. It's a little interesting because I'm spending so much time away from home, but I'm also planning on going backpacking while I'm in Arizona. So along with all the normal stuff that I have to bring, I also have to bring a bunch of backpacking and camping gear with me. There's going to be a lot of stuff. So let's see what I pack. So here's a view of my somewhat organized closet. Ignore the bottom part, please. Now I know what you're thinking. April, there are so many colors in your closet. How do you ever coordinate an outfit together? It's pretty easy for me because, as you can see, it's pretty devoid of color. So that's honestly a pretty good strategy for when you're traveling as well. It really helps to be able to mix and match everything that you bring if they're in a cohesive color palette. So as you can tell from my wardrobe, it's pretty much all black, white, and gray. And that's how I like it. So I can pretty much pick anything, and I know that it will go with anything else that I pack. Hello. You may be wondering, don't you wear pants ever? Rarely, but yes, I do sometimes. So some of my pants are kept up here, and the rest of my jeans actually are in a drawer by my bed. So I'm going to show you what pants I'm going to be bringing. Obviously, I try to keep the pants down to a minimum because who likes to wear pants? Not me. But also because they take up a lot of space. Alright, let's see these pants. The first one is a pair of Levi's denim shorts. I wear these all the freaking time, not gonna lie. These actually are a pair of shorts that I had as a child, actual child, like elementary school, that I somehow still fit into, so I cut them off into pants, and here we are. I'm just gonna bring these, and I'm probably gonna wear these all the time. Here's a pair of black jeans that you can probably not see on camera. In terms of jeans, I really just bring 2 pairs, a black pair and a blue pair. So here's the blue pair. These ones are a little more casual. They have a button fly. These seriously just fit like a glove. The next pair of pants that I have are these black ones. They are a paper bag waist style. I love these for camping and backpacking and hiking because they dry off like almost immediately. They're completely moisture wicking, which makes them super comfortable, and they also are just cute to wear around the cities. I got them in an extra small, and they are fabulous. The next pair of pants I have are these ones. I honestly rarely wear jeans. I'm more into comfy pants, as I call them, or, you know, elephant pants, Bali pants. These ones actually are from Bali or Thailand, I can't remember. So they're just cotton. I wear them at home. I wear them out. They're like sweats, but slightly more socially acceptable. And because they're so flexible, they take up much less space in your suitcase, which is very, very convenient. And last but not least, I just have a pair of sweats. These are quite slim fitting sweats. I really wear these around the house, of course, but I also bring these camping. These are usually my sleeping pants to keep myself warm. And that's the load of pants that I'm going to be bringing. Seems like kind of a lot. So let's see what it all looks like when I put it in the suitcase. saw, I was able to fit all of the clothes that I just showed you into one half of that suitcase. So as long as I can fit all of the clothes that I'm bringing into one half, I feel pretty good. The other half is going to be reserved for things like shoes, toiletries, miscellaneous stuff. And then of course keep in mind that I am also bringing a backpacking backpack, which is going to carry all the stuff that I need for that. And I do also have a regular size backpack that I bring my laptop, books, notebook, and just other essentials that I need on my person and not in the suitcase. So not too bad. That's all the clothes I'm gonna be bringing for 6 weeks. It's definitely more than enough. Obviously I'm gonna do laundry and stuff, and I didn't show packing my socks and underwear, but of course I bring at least 1 week's worth of all of those things, and I keep those in a separate packing cube because they really hardly take up any space at all. And that's all I need. As you saw from that clip of me packing my clothes in the first half of my suitcase, I'm a fan of the rolling method. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will insert an article here and I will link it in the description down below. Don't take my word for it, take their word for it. They did the hard work and basically conducted an experiment where they saw how many t-shirts, I believe, they could fit into a suitcase using various packing methods. And I've also found in my experience I can fit more stuff when I roll my clothes, so that's what I do. In the second half of my suitcase, I'm pointing here because my suitcase is on the floor next to me right down here, but in that half, that's where I put my workout clothing, which honestly I bring too much of. I'm gonna pack my shoes, my toiletries, and my electronics. So my camera stuff, chargers, and portable battery. But I will just give you an idea of what everything looks like. Now onto the backpacking stuff. I will show a clip here of me packing all my stuff up into my backpack. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see exactly the specific equipment that I do bring, and I would be happy to share with you. Backpacking stuff, pretty easy. Like I mentioned, I have those 5 essentials and then a few other things like my emergency kit, which is in that blue pouch that I showed. So that just has things like a space blanket, a tiny first aid kit, fire starters, etc. So all of that's just put together so it's easy to find in case I need it. And then of course, when I'm down in Arizona and I'm about to go on my trips, I will pack my food, water, and whatever clothes I'm going to be bringing on that trip, which is just coming out of the stuff that I already have in my suitcase. And lastly, because I'm going to be in Arizona for a full month, I am packing a bunch of stuff from my kitchen. If I wasn't moving out of my apartment so soon after getting back, I probably wouldn't be bringing this much stuff, but I need to use up a lot. And lastly, here's just a last spread of some random items that I'm bringing that I will label on the screen. If you found this useful at all, be sure to give this video a like to let me know. And if you want to see more videos from me, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down here so you can be alerted when I post new content. If you want to see more of me, I'm also on Instagram. You can find me at April Adventuring, the same handle as my YouTube channel, and I would love to see you over there as well. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any questions or recommendations for future videos. They can be about camping, backpacking, travel, road tripping, anything really. I would be very happy to answer any questions that I can and perhaps turn it into a future video. So let me know in the comments below. But until then, I wish you all well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm gonna show a quick version. Bro, did you hear that? Ugh. So much footage.